try to see how loud this is. I'm gonna have the straw for this test. Wait, how am I gonna do this? It's gonna hurt my ears. I have no idea why I cannot press on this thing, man. It's so hard. I don't know. Okay, I got some headphones on. See if hopefully it works. There we go. Had earbuds on this time. Didn't get the straw flashing, but oh well. Yeah, it still works though. I hope I didn't jump scare my neighbors. Anyways, thanks for watching. Also, this thing was made by First Alert.